It's only as good as the partner that you choose. Now, I'm not saying that every manufacturer needs to be partnered up with me, but you need to be partnered up with somebody that understands how to fix these machines, how to install these machines, how to service these machines, and make sure that they get filled.
Jason, you've been tough to
Yeah,
find.
Tony.
It's so busy in here today.
I know. We're having a good time here today. It's fun. Pioneer Services are such a great company. I love Anissa and Yusuf. They're just a great company to be partners with.
Well, after hearing what Anissa said, and the importance was not just about Zengers, but the importance was what Zengers brings. It was about the ability to be supported. And she said, I heard of Jason in the community. He's a nice guy. I knew all of this. But when I spoke to him about what he's able to provide, whether it be the technology advancements or on-call support or whatever it might be, she kind of went into that, right? And I was like, you know what? Let me go grab Jason from over there. So I paused for the audience, went and grabbed you because I know you're excited about growing with Pioneer Service Incorporated as well.
Yeah, that's what it's about, Tony. It's about growing with your partners. And what we look for in a partner is somebody that also wants to grow. And what I love about Anissa and the team here is that they're involved in the manufacturing community. She's on the board of this organization and she's president of that organization. And this company is blowing up. They're tripling their size, and they want great partners, and they know that partners are the key to their success. One of the criteria that we have for one of our VIP clients is that they want to learn. And we can't have clients that think that they know everything. And I don't know everything, you don't know everything. And when you have a partner, though, that can complement what you don't know, that is the key to a great partnership. And that's what we want. And that's how you grow. You grow through those kind of relationships.
Absolutely, well said. And the great gift of being on camera all the time is the audience knows I don't know everything, which is why
I know it comes out in that transparency. It's like, I do too. I'm making chips. I'm making chips because I'm an expert. I'm not making chips because I want to learn along with the other manufacturers. Exactly, from those manufacturing leaders. It's almost like I get free consulting by being in front of people that know more than I do. That's the great thing about it, and you know that as well.
Absolutely. Jason, I'm going to close this thing out with kind of saying, well, the whole world knows you already, but just in case we want to find out more about Zengers and don't know where to find you and the territories that you support, would you mind sharing that with the audience as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're an industrial supply company. We primarily sell tooling, shop supplies, safety supplies to manufacturers. We have a location in Illinois. We have a location in Indiana. We're soon going to have a location in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Nashville, Tennessee. So we're really trying to cover that central part of the United States. But we can honestly put our vending machines and be a partner with a manufacturer anywhere in the country. We have some installations in Boise, Idaho. So, we're really growing rapidly, and we want to partner up with manufacturers for their success and their growth.
Well, Jason, I was going to close this thing out because that's how I segued into it, but you mentioned the vending machines, and it's not just a territory, it's a national thing. So bonus footage for everyone watching right now, we're going to talk a little bit about the vending machines and how they benefit the companies, and the fact that you mentioned several territories, I believe 4 or 5 right there, but you just said national as well. So anyone watching this in the U.S. right now can go, I can give Jason a call, and I can implement one of those. Yeah, right. Implement one of those vending machines. Okay, so let's talk specifically about the machine and how it can help a company.
So think of it as a robotic tool crib attendant. So it collects data and it gives you your tools. So what we do is we take that data and we help it. We use that data to help the manufacturer to make decisions. It's like, what tools should we be replacing because they're too high of a spend? Or why did that spike in usage happen that we need to address? So it's very much, it's not just a filing cabinet for tools. It really needs to be used as a data source and as a robotic tool crib attendant. That's what I see it as the most. And to be quite honest with you, it's only as good as the partner that you choose. Now, I'm not saying that every manufacturer needs to be partnered up with me, but you need to be partnered up with somebody that understands how to fix these machines, how to install these machines, how to service these machines, and make sure that they get filled. There's so many clients out there, I hear them complaining about, my supplier doesn't fill my machines up. Well, you're not partnered up with the right supplier. Find somebody that's good at what they do. Find somebody that has a great team that can service those machines, because just like anything, the CNC machine tools are a commodity. Tooling is a commodity. Vending machines are a commodity. It's about the people that make them work.
Very well said. Nothing more needs to be said, especially when you're talking with Jason Zenger. He is
Thank you.
very, very well spoken. And of course, we mentioned Making Chips already, where he is one of the hosts on there.
Yes.
So give that a watch if you're not already. And Jason, thank you so much for explaining that
Thank
technology.
you, Tony.
Always a pleasure to see you.
And you know what we always say, if you're not making chips,
You're not making money.
bam.